Utilization of information technology to increase the income of champion SMEs. UMKM Champion is a program that has been determined by the government of West Java as a superior program to achieve Jabar, the inner breed champion thought innovation and collaboration. This program encouraged SMEs to be able to grow and develop on a business class scale. The turnover of micro, small, and medium enterprise of SMEs that become champion UMKM participants can reach 100 million to more than 2.5 billion per year. Head of the West Java Province Cooperative and Small Business Office Usman Hartaji. Literature review. Information technology is a set of tools that help you work with information and perform tasks related to information processing and keen. Improved financial management is associated with increased MSME income. Income is the total revenue earned in a certain period. Income can be divided into two, namely fixed income, namely income that can be measured during the period of receipt, and the amount received in certain period. Non-permanent income, namely income received in a period that is not fixed, not rotating, and the amount are not the same every period. The population in this study were 200 UKM champion in Bogor Regency. The method used was 13 UKM champion random sampling in 5 districts, namely Bojonggede, Sukaraja, Cibinong, Cileunci, and Babakan Madang. The data used are primary data obtained by direct research in the field of conducting observation, interview with research subject, research instrument using a questionnaire. They distribute qualitatively and will be described in statistical form, so it can be seen the use of information technology in income UKM champion. From word of mind, utilization of information technology, income UMKM champion. 1. There has been a shift in the opinion of the juara UMKM play that before COVID-19 the use of information technology was only necessary. It became very necessary during the COVID-19 pandemic. Information technology can increase the income of champion SMEs, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you.